Everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. Today I have a box from Worthy Flavors. This is the all organic box. It is $39.99. I don't get to pick what's in here, so it's always a surprise. And I kind of like that a little bit because now Misfits, I'm able to customize my entire box and just select what I want. And Imperfect Foods is the same way. And I've kind of dropped Farm Box Direct because for what you get, the price is higher than Imperfect Foods and Misfits and Worthy Flavors too. So let's get this box open and find out what's inside. I don't want to look. This tells me what's in here, and I don't want to look because I want to be surprised. And we have a recipe and then a nicely packed box. Let me turn this so you can see it, hopefully. Look at how they do this. It's all in compartments. That's so nice. I mean, Misfits Market is getting better. Imperfect Foods is still not the best packing. Farm Box Direct always has great packaging, but again, you do pay for that. So let's see what we've got in here. I'm being tested. Swiss chard. Swiss chard, not shard. I still like the way I say it better. I'm sorry, guys. This is a little, well, it's wet. I think it's okay, though. And flat, is this flat leaf parsley or cilantro? Flat leaf parsley. So we have chard and flat leaf parsley. Yay, it's flat leaf parsley. That's so exciting. And in the middle here, they give us water bottles that are filled with, it starts out as frozen water. And this ships from Florida. I'm in New Jersey. So it is quite the ways to go. And it is FedEx overnight. We have some pears. These are organic Bosc pears. They look pretty good. Some lemons. There are no, oh, there are tags. Okay. Starts with the number 9. We've talked about this before. So I always check the produce to make sure that the tag on the produce starts with a number 9 because that's an indication that it's organic. And if I ordered organic and I'm paying for organic, I want to get organic. And this label tells me it's organic. And then we have the C&B Farms green beans. And C&B Farms is one of the founding farms that founded Worthy Flavors. If you watch my videos, you've probably heard me say that before because we do often get these same green beans from Misfits and Imperfect Foods. But they're always fresher when we get them from Worthy Flavors. And they keep much longer. It's probably because they grow them. A very large cabbage. Wow, this is a very large organic green cabbage. It's like the size of my head. Big. Some chives, and these are always nice to get. Some kale, and this is the curly kale. And I used to, years ago, I would call this ornamental kale. Because we would use it when I owned a restaurant, we would use it for when we did catering like a buffet or something, we would use curly leaf kale to decorate the buffet. And these days we eat this, but to me, it's still ornamental kale. How do you guys feel about that? Do you prefer flat leaf or curly kale? Leave me a comment down below and let me know. And we've got some navel oranges, and these look pretty good. And we've been getting these a lot from them. We've been consistently getting cabbage, green beans, lemons, oranges, and parsley from Worthy Flavors. So this isn't really a surprise. And then we've got some carrots. And they are organic carrots. It's nice that they're packaged in a bag and they're not just loose and thrown in there. Let's make sure we got everything that was on the list. This is what we're working with here. Organic chives, organic Italian parsley, organic carrots, organic red chard, organic pears, and they're Bosc pears, organic green beans, organic lemons, organic green cabbage, organic kale, and organic navel oranges. So what do you think? Is this worth $39.99 for all organic produce? Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think of what I got here. Do you think $39.99 is a good value for what I got here? And if you're interested in trying Worthy Flavors for yourself, there's a link in the description down below. Just click through that link and you'll get 20% off your first order just for giving it a try. And it's easy to pause it if you want. Customer service is pretty good. And I've been pretty happy. I mean, this is about what I would get from FarmBox Direct. And from FarmBox Direct, I would pay about $65. So this is significantly less expensive than that. And I feel like it's a good value. The drawback is that you don't get to choose what's in the box. Here's the thing. I do this every other week. And on the weeks I don't get Worthy Flavors, I get usually Misfits Market. Sometimes I'll pause one, either Worthy Flavors or Misfits, and I'll do Imperfect Foods. Or at some point, I gotta give FarmBox Direct another try. I gotta remind myself to do that. So it's okay if I don't get to select my vegetables and fruits for 1 week, because I'll be able to do it the next week with the other service. But leave me a comment down below. Have you tried Worthy Flavors? What's your experience? Have you tried another service for all organic produce? What are your thoughts on it? Leave me a comment down below and let me know. And remember, I post at least 3 videos a week. At least one of them is an unboxing. The other one's usually a nutrition video, and sometimes figure skating videos too. So remember to subscribe and tap that bell so that you never miss a video. This is Amy. Thank you for watching. I will see you real soon. Bye. It's the size of my head.